The Handy Auto is a handheld motorized cutting machine that improves circle, bevel, and contour cutting. It's a complete outfit, packed in a durable steel case. 3 cutting tips are included with each Handy Auto. You should specify your gas service when ordering to make sure you get the right tips. The machine also comes with the basic attachments you need for a variety of cutting tasks, plus a tip cleaner, wrench, fuses, and a DC converter for safe 12-volt operation. The Handy Auto works like a hand torch, except it's motorized to give you constant speed, and it has several durable stainless steel attachments to give you constant tip-to-work distance. The first attachment is a straight line guide for 90-degree and up to 22-degree bevel cutting. The driving attachment can be rotated to any position around the head to help you reach difficult or far sections of a plate. The machine has a forward-reverse switch, allowing you to compensate when the drive wheel is moved from side to side. A variable speed control allows you to set speeds up to 28 inches per minute. When you turn on the power switch, the cutting oxygen comes on before the motor, allowing you to start the cut or pierce before travel. Once the Handy Auto starts moving, you should relax and let the machine do the work. Don't push or pull, or you'll defeat your purpose. The knurled drive wheel provides the necessary traction. In addition to straight line and 22-degree bevel cutting, you can bevel up to 45 degrees. The beveling attachment starts at 21 degrees and goes up to 45 degrees, giving you an overlapping range with the straight line attachment. The rugged drive wheels in both the straight line and bevel attachments give you about 24 hours of continuous burn time on 2-inch steel. The third helpful attachment is a circle cutting attachment with a range up to 4.5 inches in diameter. Reversing the center point extends the range to 10 3/4 inches. To cut a circle, just set the guide on the center point, pierce, and then relax and let the machine do the work. When cutting larger diameters, we recommend that you use the idler wheel. It prevents the torch from rocking and helps you produce square cuts. The Handy Auto also has 2 larger optional circle cutting attachments. This one for cutting up to 20-inch diameters and another for up to 40 inches. They come with a magnet and centering point that helps you find the center of the circle, which becomes the center point on the radius rod. The radius rod is used with the standard drive wheel. Stop collars allow you to slide the torch into the cut diameter for a smooth start and stop on your cut. When you finish cutting your circle, use the center point to free the magnet. Sometimes you have to reach your cut out of position. When that happens, you can use the auxiliary handle for a second handhold to steady the torch. It's out of the way of the flame and lets you see the cut line, and it can be positioned anywhere around the torch head. Another Handy Auto option, a magnetic guide, helps improve your straight line cutting. This guide sticks to the plate and has a groove to accommodate the idler wheel. It keeps the torch straight and steady, especially in those hard-to-reach places. Tech tip number 1. The Handy Auto doesn't need lubrication or much maintenance, but you should periodically remove the drive cover and blow out dust and debris to keep the head clean. Tech tip number 2. Shear pins prevent the motor from being damaged if a foreign object should become lodged in the drive system. Light the Handy Auto like you would any other cutting torch. Adjust your preheat and begin preheating. Turn on the cutting oxygen and then relax and let the Handy Auto do the work. Tech tip number 3. When circle cutting, support the Handy Auto with your free hand so the torch doesn't drop when the circle drops through the plate. With the Handy Auto, you get machine quality cuts, easy operation, low maintenance, and a variety of tools to help you do better cutting.